Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we are checking into
Terra Resort.
Terra Resort, room 6066. Come on in, check it out. On Medling World, we always like to enter in together and remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We're going to give you a full room tour here. And we're also going to do a review of the room, all in this same vlog when we check out. So, let's get right to it. We did store our luggage here on the side as we just entered into the room, so that it's not in the way and you can get a full view. We have an outlet right here when you first walk in. Let's see. Okay, so that's for that overhead light right there. You got your full-length mirror. And again, the theming of this resort is the galaxy that has not been discovered yet, is basically what we're told. So, here's your full-length mirror. Coming around this side, you got your double door French doors here on the closet with a safe, hangers, full-size ironing board, and an iron. A couple more, another little rack there.
Mount your bags.
You have some extra linens if needed. And a pretty open space with no luggage rack. Perhaps this resort just opened 2 days ago. Luggage racks might not have arrived, or maybe they will not have them. Don't know yet.
Yeah.
So there's some sensor areas here that we're trying to figure out. So what I think it is the time sensor. So some of these lights.
Okay, so this is the...
As you can see in the mirror, Roberta will show you which light works.
So one of that's the mirror.
It's kind of like a night light mirror.
And the one is the top one.
And yes, I believe these are sensors, so I think they shut off after a while with no usage.
He's gonna test it.
Yeah, in the review of the room, we'll be able to tell you. A single sink here, no double sinks. You got a hair dryer, and you have some linens here. We have a couple hand towels, face cloths. You got your Kleenex. Making our way into the bathroom. Bath towels with the rack. You got your toilet. Got your garbage. Another one of these sensors. We got hooks in the back of the door. We got some more hooks here. And we have the walk-in shower, no bathtub. Does look like the shower has some options though. Yeah, has some different options for your preference of, I guess you could say if you want the rain shower, different pressures, things like that. As you can see right there. You have soap that comes with the room, and you also have your conditioner and shampoo.
That's for your feet, but there's no...
There's a foot rest.
There's no...
No wand. No detachable wand. Just a sliding door.
No closing lines.
And again, no tub. No tub. Working our way out.
No closing.
Oh, no clothesline.
No clothesline.
Roberta, who is from Brazil, my wife, sometimes I have a hard time when she's trying to tell me clothesline.
Clothesline.
So, no clothesline here. Working our way outside here. Now, there's this kind of tinted glass area with... Yeah. Hello. I guess just kind of aesthetics to the room. Different theming. Moving around this way, we do have our thermostat. These are the same thermostats that we had over at Surfside.
They're really good.
They worked well. And we also have the coffee service.
That's the ice
bucket. This cool light. I like that light.
Yeah.
That's like outer space stuff.
Yeah. Over here we have the fridge.
We got a kind of a mini fridge here. And you have this not quite desk, so you cannot like pull a chair up in front of it to work. But you do have some drawers.
Yeah, there's 4 drawers.
You have a telephone if you need to you know, communicate with different departments. I do like that, how it kind of opens up. Couple USBs, regular outlets, but not a ton of USBs I'm finding so far. That is cool though.
You know what I was thinking?
And here is some information about the room.
Seems like now they're using that to store the luggage.
Yeah, that is up a bit high. You could put a luggage under there.
We're gonna try it. Seems like that's
You
what
could.
it is. Yeah.
Definitely could.
Instead of putting under the
Yeah,
bed.
because under here, on these beds, they have the... And it's probably a lot easier to clean under there
Correct.
than under the bed.
Yeah.
Then you have a couch. You do have a little table here. I guess you could put a laptop on if you wanted to work. You could slide it over towards the outlets.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
And then, of course, another light. Roberta loves these lights.
I do. Where's the
What about
this
another
side?
light?
This side.
Jake
Yeah.
is finding all kinds of lights. But look at
is-
this.
Wait, this is a block.
Block out.
Yeah. And this one is just a,
Kind of like just the privacy.
yeah.
And look at the views.
Views from Epic Universe.
Very nice views there of the park. You have your bus transportation as well. We'll get into that. Please check out our vlog of check-in day here.
And also talking about Epic, check it out, our video that we did about the review of Epic.
Oh,
Universe.
absolutely. We're going to put both those videos in the description of this vlog. Look at the light, the nightstand.
Yeah.
Interesting.
There is
More outlets in the back
there's
there.
only one drawer. This one doesn't open. Only
And
one.
what's that little switch do? There's like a little switch right there.
That one is the back of the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
For ambience. I would say queen beds for sure.
Yeah. And this one here, it's the same thing as that side. The top one,
Oh yeah, some of these ceiling lights there.
and this one is over there.
And then you have, again, you're in the undiscovered galaxy here, so we have a planet. Guys, thank you so much for watching this. But now, it's time for our room review coming up now. Just like that, vlog time, 2 seconds. Getting ready to check out the room, and now it's time for the room review. Same beautiful view. I do like the view. That was a plus for this room. Up on this is the 6th floor. I think you can go up to the 9. 9 is the highest.
But you do have to, a lot of times this view you have to pay a little bit more. Like if you want a full view, so the price does vary.
Very.
So yeah,
But they gave us this when we came in.
they did, yes.
They just said, oh, you guys can have a...
Park view.
So sometimes they will hook you up depending how busy. But let's review this room.
Yeah.
Jake, you want to start?
You can go first.
All right. I will say the one thing about this room, I could hear above me a lot. Like somebody probably working in the parks or something, or maybe an executive with one of these, you know, something going on with Epic. High heels, man. And it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, so I do want to let you know, you can definitely hear above you. And not just high heels. I could hear talking. I could hear
Yeah.
people just kind of doing their whatever they needed to do in the morning. These walls are not very thick in this hotel.
No.
So that's one negative for me.
And the doors too, they are heavy doors. Like what do you call, like when it closes, you hear that huge like clock, like
Yeah.
you know when you're closing,
When it
it's
shuts.
really loud. It's really loud.
So there was a few negatives about the room. Outside the room now. This has nothing to do with being in the room. Now listen. I got through it. It wouldn't make me say I'm never going to stay here again. I would. Jake, do you have anything could you hear stuff at night?
Yeah, I could hear basically everything.
Yeah.
And
yeah,
he
there's no fan either.
Yeah.
and he's a very he
Yeah,
sleeps like a
yeah.
rock. So that was a little weird because you could actually hear word people talking what they were talking about, which I was like, that is
Yeah.
very strange. So that's a big negative for me.
Yeah.
Where if you see we stayed at some other resorts on
Yeah, we
Universal,
don't hear as much.
you can hear things I call natural hearing.
Yeah.
This was more than that.
Yeah.
But there was some things I really liked about the room. I liked the lighting in the room.
Yeah.
There's lots of cool lights, like behind the headboards and things like that. Watch our vlog of our check-in day, and you'll be able to get a really good idea of everything about the resort. So another negative thing, where some of the room is very energy efficient. I'm not saying that's negative, but with the air conditioner, I set it down to 71, and what happens is it must be a sensor, and it sensed nobody was in the room when you're sleeping, so it got up to 75 in the room. Then I got up, I went over there, and I'm like, hey, what's going on? And then it clicked back on. So
you have to take it out probably if it's auto or like something to do with sensor.
So that was a negative. Either way, that was a negative to me.
And the lights too. Like if you see a regular vlog, how I struggle at night to shut it off the light.
Go over by the bathroom. There's a couple lights that run on sensors.
Correct. So the same thing.
Hard to turn on, turn off, then they would shut off.
And after we left it, we found it. I don't know how we found it how to shut it off. And then we kept like that. But even in the morning when I got up, I think the sensor kind of, during the night was not coming on, but in the morning it was like the light came on and off. There was like quick, if it was the sensor was trying to work again, but again, like in the middle of the night, I don't want that light to turn it on.
Yeah.
Because of a sensor, because I don't want a light in the room.
Right.
So,
but yeah, I mean,
it was very odd. Like, so you have to figure it out, like, to make sure if you don't want that light coming on, make sure that sensor for some reason is off. I don't know how.
Yeah,
we couldn't figure it out. So weird. Sorry.
But like I said, the lighting itself was cool because behind these headboards, they each have a couple different lights, and it kind of just is ambience lights. Yeah. These lights behind us, as you can see, you saw when we checked in, and if you watch our vlog,
the pillow, same thing. Like I think lately, Universal's put in a lot of firm pillows. Same thing with this one. The pillow is firm, which again
I had no problem, but that's a preference, you know.
It's a lot
of preference with pillows.
Correct, yeah. But the couch is nice. I was able to work. It's not big, but it was nice. I was able to work on it.
Yeah, because there's no desk, which can be a negative to some people. For us, it's a negative, but we utilized the table as a desk because we were doing some editing, so kind of just sitting like this and use the table. But there's, it's weird because it's, when you go on a cruise ship, this is like a big stateroom because it's kind of set up the same way. We have beds, and then you have like a desk and a long couch.
Yeah, so.
But overall, I mean, the room was cool. It was a nice room.
Good.
It was a nice room, but there was some negatives. Refrigerator worked good.
Yeah.
Shower was fine.
Yeah.
But
I have a try under here to see if the luggage is gonna fit, but it seems like big enough for the luggage to fit.
Yeah. But I mean, would you stay again?
Yeah.
I would. We're gonna get into our checkout vlog. Watch our checkout vlog because that will. Let me get some bit of lighting here. That will. We're gonna give a lot of opinions about the hotel when we check out, which we're gonna be making that vlog right now. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World.
Yes.
Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet, and last but not least, see ya.